The cops see a Charger with no headlights driving at night. What do? They turn on their sirens, chase them to see what's up and what's going on. But this turns real bad real quick. So guys, stay tuned and let's check this video out. Shout out to Scooper for the video. I'm gonna link the video and the channel in the description, guys. Go check it out. Go check out his channel and let's check this because this is gonna get spicy. We're about to figure out why chasing cars at night is a bad idea. Some states, they have a no chase law. Like, if you run from the cops, they won't chase you. States, some countries do the same thing. So, and you're about to find out one of the reasons why. Dude, that cop is flying, bro. I ain't surprised if he's doing 130 right now. Or more. Is that the car on the other side? Oh shit. Hey, they got good brakes though. He just went dark, bro. That's wild that night. Cop is on his ass. Hey man, I ain't gonna lie, if I'm that cop and I see you doing all this mess in this streets like this, I ain't gonna chase you. Like, that's it. Why you put your hazards on, bro? Like, so the cop can see where you're going? Oh, yeah. Okay. Damn, at that speed, they're cooked. Alright, cop is good. This is what I'm saying, guys. Dark roads, high rate of speed, with some turns, man. Should have seen this coming. So the cop looks like he's good because he's moving. The driver's probably, I don't know what happened to the driver. But it's weird. There was only one patrol car though, because usually there's more. You know, you radio in, there's a whole bunch of them. So where the other ones at? Oh. She don't feel it now, but she hurt. She gonna feel that later. Oh, damn, he really messed up. So y'all can pause it and check if you want, so you can read it. That's it. 60 days. Oh, look at the charger. On the right corner, on the right. Oh. You can even tell the freaking charger. Hey, sorry for the awkward silence at the end, but there's no audio. I can't do nothing about that. But little conversation here and there, you feel me? But that was wild, man. That's why I told you guys, let's see how this plays out. Because, I don't know. Do you guys, okay, comment down below. Do you guys think the cop was like a little reckless? I think so, because he was just doing whatever that guy did. That guy could have had a death wish and just wanted to crash and just see and take the cop along with him, which he did, and they crashed. But seeing those corners, they're pretty tight, and I'm 100% sure those are V8 Chargers, especially the cop is a V8, obviously. But the other one, probably the same thing. And getting up to speed like 120, 130, if not more, just at 100 itself is a danger in corners. So they got lucky. I'm gonna say they got lucky, bro. I've seen a lot of like the car accidents and like what happens to people when they're having car accidents and stuff like that. I've seen a lot of those, and just at 60 and 50 is bad. I can't imagine more than that. Now let me know, would you guys continue to chase if you see the way, or if you saw the way this guy was driving and like the conditions and all that, how dark it was? Would you keep going and chase him and get him? Or you'll be like, hey man, this is your one pass, I'm out, radioing his license plate or whatever, and just let him go and find him later? Or will you risk it for the biscuit and just keep chasing him just to catch him? I don't know. And it's kind of weird. There's only one cop car. Like, where the other ones are. Like, it doesn't make sense. You feel me? Like, for example, up in Georgia, you see like a million of them chasing one car. Here at FHP, you see like a million of them chasing one car. And here is just like one cop car. Like, it's a real remote area. But yeah, guys, hey, that's all I got for y'all today. Honestly, this was a wild ride. It was pretty cool. It was pretty fun. Especially the cop car just going, and you can see just like moving left and right. The cop did a good job of maintaining control until that happened. But that's all I got for you guys, man. Honestly, on to the next one. So again, shout out to Scooper. So if you guys want a full like detailed report, like a police report on this video, more than what you guys saw here, go to Scooper's channel. On the description, you can read the whole report that the police officer put and just have more knowledge of that. So the link to that is in the description, guys. Go click it. But that's all I got. Remember, God is good. Put him first always, and I'm gonna catch y'all later. Deuces.